How to find all the cell with specific font color in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent trick that will help you identifying and selecting all the cell that has a specific font color. Let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet. I have three font color here. One is black, then red and blue. And I want to find out all the cell that has blue font color, and I'm not going to use any VBA. I'm going to use Excel's built-in find and replace feature. I'm going to press Ctrl F on my keyboard, and then I'm going to click on option and then click on format, go to the font section, and from the color drop down I'm going to select blue. And if I click OK and click on find all the cell that has specific blue font is now highlighted here. If I click anyone, I can select these cells. Okay, if I press Ctrl A, all the cell that has blue font color is now selected. I can change the font color and I can click on automatic, and all the cell that had blue font color is now removed. Okay, and the red one and the black one are still the same. That means we have successfully found and selected all the cell with specific font color. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.